You know, what is it that you need to struggle with as a mediator?
That's a real good question. I would think that even though I teach it, improving my questioning techniques, even though I teach how to ask questions, I think improving it because to be artful in asking questions, you have to think about the words that you use. They have to be words, because our parents, that sticks and stones will break your bones, and that's wrong, because words do hurt people. And so how you articulate it so that it comes out in a way that it's just, the question is just there. It's not pro one side, it's not negative the other side. It's there, and what it does is it gets people to begin to want to discuss. And the hard part about that is because there's so much going on in a mediation session. You're listening. You're watching. Sometimes, at least for me, I'm taking some notes. And you're thinking about your next question. You're trying to remember the question you have. So to be able to formulate those kinds of questions, because sometimes I slip. I mean, I teach people how to do this, but you know, when you're in the heat of battle, and sometimes you make a slip and again, a slip at the level that I'm talking about is not a slip that would happen in the training where someone says, well, you know, you stupid, or, you know, it's not that kind of slip. It's just and what we talk about, you can just change one word, and it makes the question just flow out so naturally, and the people kind of accept it. But if you're not conscious, I think some mediators aren't conscious that, to me, the goal is how you ask these questions. And if you understand that and you ask them in a certain way, the information just starts flowing out.
Coming in.
It just starts coming in. And so I think the ability to do that, and sometimes I think I'm too patient. You can believe that.